Here I have BLACKVIEW BV9000 and let me show you how to enable boot mode on the following device. At first you have to switch off your phone, so just tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds. Tap on power off, confirm by tapping on OK and wait a short while. Once it's off, just tap on power key and volume up key all together, hold them for about 3 seconds until you see the logo of BLACKVIEW, so just let me perform it. Volume up key, volume down key, just hold them all together. Let me do it one more time. And now you're in boot mode. Here you can navigate by tapping on volume up key. As you can see here, you've got the access to recovery mode, fastboot mode, and then go back to normal. And you can select each option by tapping on volume down key. So let me pick back to normal. You can of course select whichever option you want to, but now you know how to enter boot mode and then you can go further. So then if you would like to switch off this boot mode, just select normal mode, so boot to normal mode, and tap on volume down key to do it. Give your device a short while, it will shut down and then it will be one more time turn on in normal standard mode. And as you can see, now you are back in standard mode and you can start using your device as usual. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.